Hi, this is Sarah, and today I am bringing you a review of the book Happier at Home by Gretchen Rubin. You may know Gretchen from her first book, The Happiness Project, New York Times bestseller for over a year. Woohoo! But the second book, Happier at Home, is specifically focused on ways to amplify her happiness at home. And the way she goes about doing that is through practice and discovering what actually means happy at home. So in her first book, she looked at the span of a year and specific topics that she wanted to focus on throughout that year to feel happier. What she discovered was that the days are long, but the years are short, meaning that time goes by a lot faster than you think. And when you're sitting in this kind of like status quo, medium state, it's easy for time to just pass like that. So, with this second study, Being Happy at Home, she looks at everything that encompasses home to her. So that's her physical home, the space, her home in her body, her home in her neighborhood, and her home in her relationships. And she looks at them through the span of September through May, a school year. What I love specifically about this book is that at the beginning, in the introduction, she says something that is just so wise. I love it. And she's talking about beginning. You know how daunting beginning can be, starting something new can be. And what she says in the note to the reader is, I hope that reading about my happiness project will encourage you to start your own. Whenever you read this and wherever you are in the right place to begin. And I absolutely love that because so much of the work that I do is with women on being happier in their day-to-day life, integrating their dreams, their desires, uncovering their dreams and desires, and weaving all of that into their day-to-day. And that's exactly what Gretchen does in this book. She weaves her dreams, her desires, her everyday actions into how to be happier during them. She gives us basically a blueprint on how to be happier where we are right now. And I know that can seem hard, but her blueprint is really good. And I find that it's really easy to tweak things to fit ourselves a little bit better once we see somebody else doing it. So thank you, Gretchen, for doing it first. I recommend this book highly. I give it 4.5 stars out of 5 in my star rating, which is really high. And I love, too, especially that at the end, she has really quick little studies of her, 8 Splendid Truths. Those are the truths she discovered during her first happiness project. Secrets of Adulthood, 10 Tips to Beat Clutter, all of these really good tips, and then further reading too, which I'm always a nerd about because I love reading. So much good stuff in this book aside from the work that she does during her September to May project. If you check out below this video, you will see a little question from me. And if you are so inclined to answer, you may be receiving a little present from moi on your doorstep. Hint, hint, it has something to do with this. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic, happier at home day. Bye.